everybody, Pet Huntoon here from Technique Junkies, and today I'm going to be showing you a card that has a kit attached to it. In other words, you can purchase the kit to make this thank you card, and as you can see, it's very shimmery because we're using the metallic mousse. So in the kit, you have 10 pieces of recycled cardstock, recycled brown bag cardstock. So you'll be able to make 10 of these. So you have 10 pieces. You also get the thank you stamp from Technique Junkies. You will also receive this doily stencil from Colorful Life Designs, but I promise you your doily stencil will be clean. You will also receive the stencil brush, a Waverly stencil brush, and you'll receive 2 Nouveau Mousse, embellishment mousse. These normally run $7.95 a piece, so it's a pretty good deal for $21.99 to be able to get all of this stuff. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Now I'm going to tack this down with washi tape. The washi tape is not included with your kit. I figured most people have that. I'm just working on a white sheet of paper, and I'm just going to close that with one piece and just put the stencil down so I don't have to worry about my hands holding it while I'm talking to you. So I'm just going to overlap the paper and the background just to hold this nice and firm on here. Just 3 spots, 3 quick little spots just to hold this down. I'm going to be using Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. Now, Nouveau Embellishment Mousse is a creamy type of product, but I would not call it mousse like pudding mousse. It has more firm texture, and you can see it's not fluid at all. This is the Royal Aubergine. This is one of the colors you will receive. And one of the ways to do this, and I have done quite a few different techniques using these, but one of the techniques I'm going to be using for this today is to be using a stencil brush. So I'm just going to rub it into the Royal Aubergine, and I'm just going to push it through the stencil with circular motions. I'm not really putting much pressure on this at all. This is the fastest card ever. The nice thing about the stencil brush is that you're still going to get tons of texture. You're still going to get a nice high texture from this, but it goes on in a split. Lickety split. Look how fast that goes on. It's on there. And then this is English Heather. I love this color. I would say this is probably my all-time favorite color. Now you could do a couple of things. You could wipe this off on your paper or piece of paper towel. I'm just going to stick it right in there because we're going to blend these colors anyways. So I'm going to go out to the end. I'm going to make sure all of my little holes and all the little pieces and parts in there are covered. Oh my gosh, look how fast and easy that was. Wasn't that easy? And fairly clean. My hands are clean. And then I'm going to just kind of blend these colors together with a brush. Just blend them together. And if I wanted to, I could blend it even further with my fingertips, but I don't even think I need to do that. Now, the thing about Nouveau Embellishment Mousse is that you need to clean it off right away. And I found if you take this stencil and run it under water along with the brush and just wipe it off with the brush right away in the water, it'll come right off. No worries or no problems about getting it off. So it does come off rather quickly. So I'm just going to remove this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at how gorgeous that is. That's a 2-second card. And I'm going to heat this with a heat tool. I'm going to heat real quick. It takes about 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, now my piece is dry. It was about 30 seconds that took, and you can see it's got a gorgeous texture to it. And it's not only got that texture, but it's got that metallic look. It's just so pretty in person. I'm going to use my Misty and put the thank you on there. I have a piece of brown paper behind my Misty, so you'll have to excuse the brown on brown there. Piece of cardboard there. I was doing something. Big pieces of something. So, and all I'm going to do is use some black StazOn on that thank you. Wait, this thank you stamp stamps beautifully. It's just a really nice stamp. Just stamp that quick. I think I'm going to give it another little shot. My ink might be a little dry there. And look how gorgeous that is. Quick little thank you card. Quick and easy. You're going to get 10 pieces of paper, the stamp, both of the mousse, the brush, and the stencil for $21.99. I hope you enjoyed this today. This kit is as long as it lasts. It may not last that long, but as long as it is in stock and I have product for it, you will be getting the kit. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.